kind of videos do you make for YouTube when you're kind of old and boring? So today I decided to play with my Go 3S and video our walk.
Would you say this is the best part of the walk right here?
This is part that warms my soul.
This is a good time to go too, right when the sun is out.
About 10:35.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And there's no air that moves in this section.
No, it's sort of a bowl.
Yeah.
No air. Never seems to be any airflow right here.
No. Just stagnant, hot air.
This has become part of our routine, and we do this walk every day. We had some debate on whether or not to go down this trail or to go through the neighborhood, but this is my favorite route, and this is what we've been doing.
I call this the Mark Justin Joseph's Trail.
Yes. I know for one thing, if anything ever happened to me on this trail, I wouldn't call any of my lawyer friends, I'd call him.
Yeah, well, we got to. It's his trail.
This is the weirdest bench. And then it says caution on it.
All of the cool YouTubers use all of these different angles to show a story. And so I was trying to be a cool YouTuber and use my magnetic camera to take multiple different camera angles. However, my husband was making it difficult by running. So by the time I got to the place to put the camera, he was already past it.
But our two cool socks, I think, need to be documented.
Will finally did let me run ahead to get the different camera angles, but he refused to repeat any of the jokes that he told me when the camera wasn't rolling.
In our filming, I want I don't want to be.
You have to repeat the joke.
Snake.
There was no snake.
Did you get that on camera?
I don't know. These scared the crap out of me.
Did you get it on camera? See how real I was? That was better than joking. You jumped so high. I've never seen you jump so high.
If I'd had my Apple Watch on, it would have been calling the ambulance right now.
Okay, that's better than I thought it would be.
Oh, God.
I've never seen you jump like that.
I did. I leaped in the air.
I'm worried about you. I think you might have pulled something.
I think I might need hip replacement surgery already.
In the end, the snake scare was pretty funny, so I guess you can make videos out of nothing.